Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Oscar Outdoors. First of all, thanks very much for clicking on my video, and if you've not yet subscribed, please do so now. But today I want to talk to you about a new water bottle, the Grylls Ultralight Flask. Stick with me. So according to the website, I've just read up on it, it weighs 12.7 ounces, which is 360 grams. The height is 8.5 inches by 3.5 inches this way, which is 21.5 by 8.9 centimeters. The capacity of the bottle is 32 ounces, just under a litre, so 950 millilitres. The exterior is a powder coated exterior, and it's made from 18 by 8 food grade stainless steel. The plastic in the lid is BPA free. Again, on the lid it's a leak proof lid with vacuum insulation, and that's it. Boy up. So yeah, we'll go around what it says on the label here. So it says just here, triple wall vacuum insulation made by 18-8 stainless steel, ultra lightweight, high performance, so it keeps hot things hot for 12 hours and cold things cold for 24 hours. It's got 20% lighter than comparable bottles. Leak proof, advanced lid design, prevents leaks or spills. No sweat. The vacuum insulation with copper layer stops all condensation. So it tastes great. So the BPA free 18 by 8 stainless steel never retains odour or flavour. Have to keep an eye on that one. And a scratch resistant durable stainless steel finish. So yeah, obviously considerably a lot heavier now. Okay, so I've opted for the stainless steel variety. There are many different options on the website. Okay, so it's got a, like I said, a bit of a rubber ring just around the top of the lid here. Does add for grip there. Right, we've got like a little bail handle, so I'm presuming you can clip like a carabiner or something through there. Along the bottom it does have some information. I'll overlay that in a second. But yeah, it's full at the minute. I have measured it out, and it does take about 950 mil, give or take about 5 or 6 mil, because I put a bit too much in. So it is full to the brim as we speak. But the thing at the minute which has drawn me to this particular water bottle at present, instead of, you know, you like your Nalgene's or your clean canteens or anything else at the minute, if you look on Bear Grylls' actual website at present, it's on buy one and get one free. So about $24.99 as we speak. So today's date, I think, is the 23rd of January. So if you're quick, I'm sure you can catch up on that deal. But obviously, me having so many kids and whatnot, it's coming really handy for me. So $24.99 for 2 1 litre water bottles, you can't beat it. The only bad thing I'm going to say about it is because it's triple insulated, you can't go straight in fire with it. But other than that, it's a thumbs up from me. $24.99 Bear Grylls water bottle. So as you've seen, if you've been a regular subscriber to my channel, you'll see that I've already put on like a cheap bushcraft brew kit. That was the second one of them that I bought as well, after melting the lid for mine. So I'm just going to have a quick check and just see if this nests in there. And again, perfect fit. So another thumbs up from me. Okay, so this has been a review on the Bear Grylls Ultralight Flask. 32 ounce version. It is available in a smaller one, 20 ounce, I think, which is about 600 millilitres. But yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks very much.